Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through integrating Printify with WooCommerce for prints on demand. Now before we start, I'm gonna notify you that WordPress, in order to accomplish lots of the tasks I'm gonna say in this website, in this tutorial, requires a paid plan. So if you want to use Printify with WooCommerce and use WooCommerce, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription. And now let's begin and follow the steps together. Now you're gonna have to follow the instructions I say verbally, and if you do and pay for the subscription, you will be able to complete the task. Now for the first step is to create a Printify account. Just go to Printify right here and create an account. You can sign up for a free account. Just you can use Google to link or create an account for an easier access. Now the second step is to connect Printify to WooCommerce. In Printify, navigate to Manage Stores and click Connect. After that, select WooCommerce and follow the steps to link your store. I'm gonna remind you that it's in order for WooCommerce to work, you're gonna have to pay a WordPress subscription. Now for the third step is to add products and sync. Create custom products in Printify. You can create them by here, create order, etc. Create products and publish them to WooCommerce. They appear as live products in your store. And that's it. If you follow these few steps, you're gonna be able to use Printify with WooCommerce easily. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.